All right, so day 2, Mobile, Alabama, life on the road. The weather's really nice down here, probably because it's in the south, and this town is really cute. It's reminiscent of New Orleans type of vibes with gaslight lamps that actually use gas instead of LEDs. So yesterday we spent about 8 hours working on dance steps and learning some basic choreography for the show. And during that time I was still able to write out some different marketing plans, some different ideas and concepts for emails, etc. Imagine having a job where you have enough time to work on your side hustle at the same time. That's interesting. The real question is, how did I get here? How did I get into a high-paying circus job? I didn't have any dance or gymnastics background. It was something that I went for, and luckily I had a little bit of talent, and I manifested the success that I wanted to see. Now, this all could have ended very differently. What if I didn't have enough talent to get hired in the circus? Well, I would definitely be doing something different, but I would know that is one thing that I shouldn't be doing, and I should be focusing on something else. Try to learn from your successes and failures.